Abby, you have brought a sweetheart today from
I
the Richmond
know.
SPCA. It's Vivienne.
It's Vienna.
Vienna.
Vienna, like Vienna sausage.
I keep wanting to call her Vivienne.
Well, yeah, I think that's a little more fitting than Vienna.
Vienna.
But either way.
Oh, tell me about her.
So we think she's about 3 years old. She came to us from an owner surrender, so she lived in a house before this. She wasn't picked up as a stray or anything. She's really sweet.
Oh,
I've seen
yeah.
her go from napping to playing tug of war like crazy to meeting new people to just hanging out.
Oh, she just made quick friends with me, and I love her.
Pussycat.
Hi, baby. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Oh, yes, I know. Hello. Hello. Hello, baby.
Sit.
Such a sweetheart.
sit.
Hi.
I'm too excited.
Vienna.
You say hi?
Vienna.
But we have some great promotions going on right now. We have one for dogs and one for cats. So through this Friday, we have our spring special, and we're reducing dog adoption fees for adult dogs by 25%.
Cool.
So Vienna is absolutely qualified for that promotion. That's through Friday. And then through all of April, adult cat adoption fees are only $30.
Wonderful.
So
Wow. Come on
now's
down.
the time. Yeah, come see us. We're at the Robin Star Humane Center at 2519 Hermitage Road. And we keep all of our pets on our website as well
Oh, kisses.
with their photos and descriptions. And that's richmondspca.org.
And we had the dog jog, which was
We
great. And you
did.
can still donate.
Absolutely. You can still donate to the dog jog. It's richmondspca.org/dog jog. We are still trying to meet our goal, and we're hoping that a few more donations come in and we can reach that goal. So help us out.
Yay. And adopt this sweetie. Hello, babe. Hello. Hello, girly friend. Oh, she's like, I'm going to go walk a bit. I want to do a walk.